Free home insurance quote. 1. Considering the large expatriate population in Dubai, majority of residents live in rented apartments or houses. Hence, buildings insurance, which is applicable for the landlord of the building, is not directly applicable to the tenants. 2. Under the contents and personal belongings cover, one can choose to include household goods, furniture and valuable items that are located inside the house and are covered only while they are within the premises of your home. 3. Personal belongings include items that you may often take outside the house, such as cameras, watches, sunglasses, jewelry, etc. You can also choose to insure your valuables under this cover as specified or unspecified. Particular items that cost over a certain amount have to be specified, while for objects below that amount a general sum insured value can be provided. 4. Home insurance in Dubai will cover you even while you are on holiday, as long as your house does not lie vacant for more than 2 months. Should you plan an extended holiday for over 60 days, it is important that you keep your insurer informed and extend your cover. 5. Items which are covered while they are outside the house, especially specified items above a certain value, should be supported by a proof of purchase or a recent valuation certificate. Although not mandatory, some insurance companies in Dubai may ask for proof of purchase receipts or operating manuals at the time of claim. 6. If you do not use your home as a private living accommodation, it's very important that you inform your insurer of the same.